Build a dedicated built-in storage zone for cleaning supplies and bulk paper goods to make a big family kitchen safer and more efficient. Design a tall cabinet with pull-out shelves sized to fit 5-gallon refill containers and stacks of paper towels so heavy items stay at waist level for safe handling. Use full extension drawer slides rated for 100 pounds for the pull-outs and add soft close mechanisms to prevent slamming. Install childproof locks on lower compartments that hold concentrated chemicals and keep common use items like all-purpose cleaner and sponges on higher, unlocked shelves for adults to reach easily. Incorporate built-in dispensing roll holders behind a slim door so dish towels and paper towels stay dry and are dispensed without removing the roll, and use vertical dividers for mop heads and brooms to keep them upright and ventilated. Create labeled sections with water-resistant labels for recycling supplies, refills, and daily use items so anyone in the household can restock correctly. Use clear plastic bins for small items to speed visual inventory. Add ventilation holes or a small passive vent near the top of the cabinet and line lower shelves with chemical-resistant mats to protect wood and simplify cleanups. Common mistakes include storing heavy bulk boxes on high shelves, which causes strain and falling hazards, so move bulk paper goods down and use pullouts for access. Another issue is mixing incompatible chemicals together in one compartment, which risks dangerous reactions. Keep corrosives, bleach, and ammonia-based products separated and clearly labeled. A third concern is poor child safety when cabinets have easy-to-open handles, so fit childproof locks and place the most hazardous items in lockable lower compartments that require adult operation. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and share project ideas for built-in storage solutions that suit large family kitchens, and we connect contractors seeking work with homeowners planning projects. We also host a discussion community where we and other users exchange installation tips, product recommendations, and layout photos to help teams plan safe and efficient storage.